Hi everyone. Okay, time for another unboxing video, my second one. Cass, bless you, from Cass's Creations and Boom Chelstain sent me this gift all the way from Australia. I picked it up at the post office yesterday and it's taken all my willpower not to open it until now, so that I can share this with you guys. So I decided this is going to be a challenge for me. I don't know what paints are in here, but I've decided to commit to using just colors that are in here, plus a black and a white for a painting. So let's see what we've got. I'll bring you in closer so we can have a look together. Now, let's just have a look, shall we? Okay, what do we have here? Ooh. Right, what is this one? Oh, pearlescent mauve. Beautiful color. I love that. Love, love, love it. Okay. And then the next one. I'm like a kid at Christmas. Oh, very cool. Pinnacle sand. This is not a color I would probably normally use, so this could be rather interesting what I come up with. Okay. Then we have some more smaller ones. Oh, pearlescent mint. Oh, how about those two together? Now that would be amazing. Then pearlescent watermelon. Oh my goodness, I love these pearlescent colors. They are just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, Baronia burgundy. This is a beautiful shade. Absolutely stunning. Those two could go pretty well together. Pandoria pink. This is such a luscious pink. It is beautiful. And then finally pearlescent teal. Oh, one of my favorites for sure. This is such a gorgeous color. Okay, now then let's have a look at the big bottles in here. Oh, Cass, you superstar. This is, yes, limited edition sage. Oh, I've been looking at what Cass has been doing with this colour, and oh my goodness, it is out of this world. And another limited edition, the dark violet. Yes. Sorry, I'm just like ridiculously excited now. A lily pilly pink, another beautiful, beautiful pink color. And this one, native violet purple. It is so dark, it looks pretty much black when you're pouring it, but as you spread it out, it really brings out this absolutely stunning shade of purple. It is out of this world. Okay. Oh, something I haven't got, I don't think. Golden wattle yellow. This is such a bright yellow. It is a stunner, that one as well. Good old sterling wax white. I go through tons of that. So thank you, Cass, for that one. Flame tree red. Look at that. It's such a beautiful, bright, really, really bright red. And a pea flower orange. Oh my goodness, I've got my work cut out for me trying to think what to do with these. Oh, that was fun. Thank you so much, Cass. You're an absolute superstar. Now, I am gonna head off to my day job for now, unfortunately. But I will take a picture of these and yeah, look at it whenever I get a chance and try and come up with a color scheme for these. So yeah, we'll get back here when I'm ready to paint with some of these. See you then. So I decided to paint over this what was meant to be a cloud pour. Yeah, can't see any clouds there, so that was an absolute failure, but you know, it's a good canvas to go with. Right, and what I'm gonna do is I'll put a big puddle in the middle again for just a very small flick and spin. This is only 30 by 30 centimeters, so around 12 inches square. Nice fit for my spinner. So the pillow or the puddle will be sterling wax white. I was thinking I would swipe first with this Amsterdam deep gold and Aussie floetrol, and then my boom colors. This is one of the limited edition ones, dark violet. I am absolutely dying to try that. And then some tropical colors as well. I've got flame tree red, I have lily pilly pink, and then pea flower orange. That's a really gorgeous tropical orange there. Golden wattle yellow, and then finally a little bit more sort of pearlescent in there, pearlescent watermelon. So I am gonna get to it. I'll put some music on for you, possibly speed this up a little bit because it might take a little minute to do, and also make sure I've covered that direction with cardboard again. So I will speak to you when this is done.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
I believe I am all done. So I'm just gonna do a bit of tidying up and I'll bring you in for a close-up, because even though this is very, very different from what I normally produce with the flick and spin technique, I do think there are still some extremely cool effects going on. So yeah, I'll bring you in. So let's have a look at the wet results, shall we? Like I said, this is very, very different from my usual flick and spins. The swipe color, the gold, was pretty much almost completely swallowed by the sterling wax whites, but I love these ghostly effects. It'll be really interesting to see if there's any shimmer ones once this dries. I do have my flash on right now, and you can see a little bit of sparkle in the purple there. And yeah, I think my decision to do another layer was right, because I got one of those absolutely fabulous corkscrews there. I love it. And the effect there, it looks like cracking, but there's just something about some of the boom gels that causes that sort of really funky looking separation, which I don't mind because I know it won't crack. Boom is very, very good at drying and behaves nicely. So yeah, all that there's left to do now is wait for this to dry, and I'll be back with the dry results. See you then. So here's the dried results. I love the movement in this piece. I really do. And there's some real cool effects from the flicks. That corkscrew there is just so yummy. The background, the lacing remains very, very subtle, but I think it gives it really nice interest. And I think it will be enhanced quite a lot once I resin this piece. Yeah, I just love the movement. I love how dynamic this piece turned out, and I love me some shimmer in there. But I'd love to hear what you think, so please drop me a comment in the section below. Like this video if you could, that would really help out, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks so much for being here with me today. I'll see you soon. Bye.